How to favorite GIFs on Discord mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple. However, we will not be using the regular Discord app. Instead, we will be using Discord on a web browser. So go ahead and open up any browser you have. And once you do that, navigate to Discord and log into your account. And make sure that you are using a desktop version of the website. Now, once you do that, navigate to any chat, conversation, or channel, basically any place where you will be able to message. And let me just zoom in this portion right here so we can see how it is done. So, like this. So, I will show you right now how you can favorite the GIFs from the chat or the GIFs from the GIF section on Discord. So, at the bottom right corner, you will see you have the GIF option. If you click on it, you will get this pop-up window right here or section. And as you can see here, you will find a bunch of types of GIFs. Basically, they are sections. And you will see the first one is the favorite section, which is in purple. Now, how can you add GIFs to this section? As you can see right here, if we clicked on any section from these ones right here, we will see that if we clicked on any GIF, you will see that at the top right corner of it, a star icon has just appeared, which is the favorite, this one right here. If you clicked on it, as you can see, that GIF will be added to the favorites. So let's do it again. Let me just find any GIF. Say, for example, this one right here. Let me just zoom in so I can click on the star. If you clicked on the star, the GIF will be added to the favorite section. If we went back and clicked on the favorites, as you can see right here, you'll find the GIFs that you have added. Same thing will work with the GIFs from the chat. So this is how you can add the GIF from this section right here, GIFs from this section as favorites. So now let's see how you can add GIFs from the chat. Now, as you can see right here, if you close or zoomed on a GIF that you clicked on, you will see that at the top left corner, and not the right corner as the previous ones, the top left corner, this star icon, the favorite icon, will appear. If you clicked on it, it will be added to the favorites GIFs. So let's do it with this one right here. Let's click on it, and as you can see, the star icon has appeared right here. It might not be visible due to the colors, but it's right there. So that's how we can add the GIFs. And if we went back to the GIFs section and then click on favorites, we will see all of the GIFs that we have added right here. It's that easy and simple. It's really straightforward. So that was it for this video. That's how you can favorite Discord mobile GIFs. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.